Jordan here from Cork Hosting. Got the setup and I want to show you how I use these guys to have solar panels and roof racks together and not interrupting and interfering with each other. All right, so the way we've made this whole thing work is with a couple of these guys. So they're just your standard roof rack solar panel brackets. And all I have done is just flip them so they sit like this. They create a little bit of a Z shape. Now, the lower section is where your solar panel sits and the higher section goes underneath your roof rack. To make this system work, your roof rack setup has to be one of those roof bar and roof rack systems. A platform system won't work with this just because there's no ability to move them around to make your solar panel fit inside the width of the two different roof racks. That is, I guess, a prerequisite of this, and to make this system work, you obviously need to have that. Now, for me, my roof racks were pretty low profile, so I ended up having to raise the profile of my roof rack because the solar panel was actually hitting the top of my rooftop tent, which I didn't want. So what I did was just get a couple of washers. These washers lift up the height of my roof racks, and because they have lifted up now, the solar panel has a little bit of a gap underneath or in between the solar panel and the roof. Wherever you get your roof rack mounts from, the hardware, if they're a lower quality kit, will be shit. These ones are from Kings and I needed to replace the hardware because they go rusty straight away. If you get a good quality kit, it might not be the case, but just keep that in mind because you don't want rust stains on your roof. That pretty much sums it all up. Hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully you can get your solar panel and your kayak on the roof and you're not having to choose between which one you prefer more. Any questions, let me know. If not, catch you out there.